Hello, hello. Banks are entering. They are accepting stablecoin acceptance. Stablecoin acceptance. That means a USDC, United States dollar coin. You can convert or transfer your XLM and XRP or other cryptocurrency to the USD coin, and you can send it to your bank. They're speaking about this starting in February 2021. That's exciting news. I want you to know something's going down. I received the $600 stimulus check, and I put $100 into my Fidelity account, and I'm waiting for the deposit to settle so I could buy more fintech company, blockchain company. I want to buy some more shares. And I also took $100 and I went to buy more XRP, XLM, and a little bit of Algorand. That's what I've been doing. And I didn't think I was going to do this again. So I went to go do it, and I'm like, oh, what's the problem? What's going on? I hear Coinbase has problems. I just want to make sure my transaction went through. It went through. It told me transaction went through. I purchased the coins, but it didn't show in my account. So this comes up when I went to the help section because I just wanted to write them. And I'm aware of what's going on. As long as they got my transaction, they know I bought some more. That's all that matters. I just want to get it on my air-gapped cold hard wallet. They say we're currently experiencing an increase in inquiries. Well, of course they are, because the word is getting out that this is going to be huge with XRP and XLM. I'm going to prove it to you in a moment. There may be a delay in responses from Coinbase support. Okay, we're committed to doing better. We appreciate you bearing with us during this exciting time for the crypto economy. Yes, it is. We'll reach out as soon as we review your case. Now, I didn't send them anything because I'm just going to wait it out. They'll get caught up. And the confirmation went through. To view updates on site performance, please visit. Okay, now guys, listen to this. I'm going to play a minute and a half of the beginning of Digital Perspectives video today. It says it all. Says it all. This is going down. This is going to be transformational for currency globally. Okay, listen up. Sorry about the background noise. My heat is kicking, but it's better than being cold. Listen to this. It talks about stablecoin. It talks about banks accepting stablecoin, the USDC coin, that you could transfer your cryptocurrency to your bank account. Listen up. Oh, but it also speaks about XLM. What's going on with that?
Welcome back to the show. You can follow me on Twitter at BackupBradley above at the top of the screen and everything that we're talking about here today. Let's go ahead and get into this. We start with James Fool, XRP, and he reminds us here that Stellar has had some really strong developments, and it looks like it may have a bright future. Let's just take a look at what some of these highlights are. Ukraine government chosen Stellar for central bank digital currency. Biggest regulated USD stablecoin, USDC, coming to Stellar in February. OCC allowed U.S. banks can use regulated stablecoins like USDC starting from February, and the U.S. banks would use Stellar as public blockchain. First bank-backed Euro stablecoin from ancient German bank on Stellar. Stellar given attention by World Bank for loans. Coinbase is launching a Visa debit card. It gives 4% rewards in XLM. And let me just pause and take a second to tell you, damn, I'm glad I hold some XLM. 70 billion valued Stripe funded Stellar in 2014 has 2B XLMs. So 2 billion XLMs, potential use for XLM and payments infrastructure. Cross-border remittances between Nigeria and Europe via Crowley and Tempo on Stellar. LightNet cross-border remittances in Asia on Stellar. Last few things here. Both the stock and Anchor USD app allow tokenized stock trading on Stellar as well. Stellar's transaction all-time high happened 2 days ago versus many of the other top coins had the transactions at an all-time high in 2017, 2018. Stellar has integrated a decentralized exchange and its protocol lets you trade from your wallet. The lowest fees in the market. One transaction cost only that much. And the SDF's Vibrant app exit beta, this US saving app lets you protect your money from inflation by converting your fiat currency into USDX. The app is geared towards South American countries where local currencies are devaluing at an unbelievable rate. An Abra Global Stellar-based financial system will be revealed, it says. So there you have just some of the highlights there for Stellar, and it's exciting to me. I just want to remind everybody, Jed McCaleb was the original creator of the XRP Ledger, and Arthur Brito and David Schwartz were hired by him, and their first year salary was paid for by the first investor to Ripple, which was Roger Ver from Bitcoin Cash. And obviously, Jed left sometime later and started Stellar. He took the XRP open source technology with him and actually developed that and continued to grow it. And that is the Stellar network that we know of. So there's that. Let's look at that before we get to the Sunday Bloody Monday news here in the crypto space. Deutsche Bank Security Service and Hashstacks will collaborate to jointly explore proof of concept related to the technology and practical feasibility of digital assets. You know what this means? Yep, tokenized securities from Deutsche Bank. That's where they're headed. Everything runs on a ledger, a digital ledger. Then we...
Okay. Did you hear all of that? That's incredible. They're saying that banks are going to be open to letting you convert. I use Coinbase. Convert my cryptocurrency to USD coin, and then I can send it back to my bank account. That's huge. That's huge. I'm so grateful. I mean, I know my bag is a lot smaller than some of these people that have been following XRP and XLM for years, but I'm so grateful to have what I have because it's going to revolutionize the way money works. I believe that's the whole plan. Banks are going to be open to accepting cryptocurrencies, and they're going to, oh my God, it's just mind-blowing. Okay, another thing that I found, quickly, I'll read this one first, to support what I believe about XLM and XRP, about being these payment systems and the stablecoin and the cryptocurrency economy altogether. Despite the many positive developments going into 2021, some potential dark clouds loom, which is that lawsuit from the SEC. As crypto prices surge, and they are, because, sheesh, Coinbase can't even keep up with the inquiries and the transactions. They can't keep up. But they'll catch up. As crypto prices surge, the amount of regulatory attention on the industry increased as well. And then I'll read these couple of sentences here. Crypto regulation is nothing new, as regulators have targeted various parts of the industry for years. This isn't new. This has been going on for years. It's just unfolding now. This is the right place at the right time, in my opinion. But with more and more eyeballs on the industry, regulation is likely to continue to pick up going into 2021. Of course, that's what's happening now. And then the last sentence, while there may be some pain in the short term, increased regulation should hopefully be a good thing for crypto in the long term. Well, of course it is. Because this is proof the banks doing business with cryptocurrency exchanges to allow investors to convert their crypto to USDC and other stable coins so you can transfer it to your bank account. Well, of course that's a good thing. They're not going backwards. They're not taking it away. We are moving forward into the digital world, the technology revolution, the world currency reset. That's what's going on here. I thought you would find that interesting. I'm so stoked. I'm so excited. So I'm really happy. I didn't think I was going to buy any more, but the price is right. And because of what they're saying right here, Coinbase can't keep up with the transactions. That tells me something's going down. People are catching on. This is a chance of a lifetime. This is the point where it's about to skyrocket to the moon. So many channels say, we're going to the moon. Well, it is. It's going to go way up. And I won't be able to afford those prices then. This is the time I can afford those prices now. Now, the stock that I found last week and added to my portfolio, my Fidelity portfolio, I have to wait till my deposit settles, and I plan on buying as many as I can for that $100. Stocks go up and down, like the one with that I hit 9,000 profit. It's down to 6,600, but it goes up and down when I took the screenshot. But I have no regrets because I'm not touching these babies until I really need something. It's already made a profit for me. These are companies that I invest in. Fidelity. They're fintech companies. They're blockchain companies, stuff like that. They're not listed on the cryptocurrency exchanges, but they're listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Do you get it? So if you want to learn about the companies I invest in on my Fidelity account, visit MyIncomeJob.com and click on Inside the Stock Market and take it from there. I wish you a lot of luck, everyone. This is the beginning. February. They're shooting for February 2021. You could take your crypto, convert it to USDC, and then transfer it back to your bank account. Oh, wow. The Ripple net's got to come into play. The XLM, he speaks about the person who was a part of the open source code development, the XRP, the Ripple net. He's the one who created XLM. So they're both going to win, in my opinion. I'm just sharing with you what I do, guys. I don't want someone like me to miss this incredible opportunity. I'm reaching hardworking people. And I have reached, a small amount. But that small amount, their lives are going to be transformed. That's how I feel. Good luck. See you in the next video clip. I'll be working today, happily, because I know what's right around the corner. See you soon. Bye.